Problem of the day 34, factoring. So the first problem is x to the fourth plus x to the fifth, so we can factor out an x to the fourth. So then we get x to the fourth plus times 1 plus x. So see how we took 4 out here and 4 out there. So the 1 was this, and then the x is this. And then we took that x to the fourth out. So now let's apply it to a harder problem. So we got x cubed plus 2x squared minus 1. So this is what will be tricky, is because you're going to add x minus x into it. So that's what makes these factoring problems so hard. There's multiple ways to think of, or have to know how to think to solve these. So breaking it apart, first we'll break apart this x squared. As you can see here, it's x cubed plus x squared minus 1. Then we're going to add in this x minus x, add in x minus x into the term inside here. So all we did is that, because this is essentially 0, right? So we added 0, so it doesn't change the equation at all. Now we can factor out a x squared, but that's from this beginning term here, so we're factoring out this from here. So you get x squared in parentheses x plus 1. So that just got moved out, and then the rest stays the same. Now we're going to factor out x from this middle part. So we got that first part already here, and factor out that x here. So this turns to 1, and x comes on the outside. So this just becomes x. See how that broke apart? And now we can factor out a negative, and that's going to be in this segment here. So we're factoring out this negative, as you can see here. So it's factored out x plus 1. See, this turned to a positive because you took it out, and then this still stays negative. And then now finally we'll factor out a x plus 1. So we'll factor out all these x plus 1s. So you get x plus 1 in parentheses times x squared, that's that x squared, plus the x, that's that x. And then since you factored this out, it turns to 1, and that's that 1. And that's the answer.